ജപനിലം.
Hello everyone. Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to learn for third class Mausam Ki Masti, lesson number 4 for third class. Okay, so how is the climate outside now? Yes, sometimes we feel so cool and sometimes we are feeling so hot. Early in the morning we are feeling so cool nowadays, right? That means the season is changing. What is happening? Season is changing. So we are going to learn today the different seasons and how the climate will be in that and what type of how do we feel. Okay, so our lesson name is Mausam Ki Masti. What is our lesson name, Nana? Mausam Ki Masti. So first, can you tell me when it is May or April month, how do we feel? Oh my God, we feel so hot. Okay, if you stand at one place and if power is not there, if you don't have power in your home, you feel so hot. You can't sit at one place because sun will be so hot, and morning 8 or 9 o'clock itself you feel so hot. So let us go through our this summer season. गर्मी आई बहुत छुट्टियां लेकर आई, गरम गरम हवा है चलती, धूप भी बहुत तेज निकलती, घर के अंदर खेलो भाई, पसीने वाली गर्मी आई. Means what? Garmi. Here in this line, Garmi means summer season. गर्मी मीन्स समर सीजन. बहुत छुट्टियां लेकर आई. एंड when the summer season, when you get summer season, how the children feel? They feel so happy because they get so many holidays. Yes, बहुत छुट्टियां, it brings so many holidays. लेकर आई. So when the summer season enters, it brings so many holidays for the children. गरम गरम हवा है चलती. And if you see outside also, it gives, whenever you feel outside, you can see hot breezes. You feel so many hot breezes outside. धूप भी बहुत तेज निकलती. धूप यानी कि the sunlight which you get directly. If it falls directly, if the sunlight is falling on you directly, you will feel so hot, and sometimes you feel so itching because of that, and you get lot of sweat in the summer season, right? So tez nikalti, very sharp, means very very heavy sunlight, it falls on you. So what are the precautions we take in summer season? Ghar ke andar khelo bhai, please don't come outside, play inside your home. Andar means inside, play inside your home. Pasine wali garmi aayi, because it is giving lot of hotness. Pasine wali means perspiration. Pasine wali means what? Perspiration. That means if you sit at one place without fan, if you don't have air properly at that place, what happens? You feel you start sweating. Water, you can see lot of water on your face. That is nothing but sweat. So how is the climate in the summer season? Very hot, hot breezes, and we feel to be very happy, and we try to wear some cotton clothes. Yes, and we feel so hot. So this is a description about Garmi ka Mausam. Whenever it is summer season, it doesn't get cool breezes, we get hot breezes, and we can see we get so many holidays in the summer season, and we get very sharp sunlight. Okay, and let us go through the next season. Can you tell me what season it is? When do you use umbrellas? In which season? Yes, we use umbrellas in the rainy season. So let us go through the next season. बारिश आई, छम छम करती बारिश आई, उमड़ घुमड़ कर बादल आते, कोयल गाती मोर नाचते, अपनी नाव बनाओ भाई, बूंदों के संग बारिश आई. Barish Ai means now which season has entered? After the summer season we get rainy season. Correct? So when you get the rainy season, cham cham karti barish ai. When the water droplets fall on the floor, you get very good sound. You feel tup 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 sound. And sometimes if it is heavy, raining heavily, then you will get different type of sounds. So here cham cham karti barish ai. उमड़ घुमड़ कर बादल आते. Can you imagine from where you are getting all these clouds? Did you ever see forming the clouds? No, we don't know from where they are forming. We all of us know that whatever water is evaporating from the earth, they are forming as clouds. But we can't understand from where all the clouds are forming. So all the clouds, they are rushing all around and they are forming like a clouds. Badal means what? Clouds. And by observing the clouds, Koyal gati mor nachte. Koyal gati, what the cuckoo does? It sings coo. Yes, it loves the rainy season. Before it rains, cuckoo bird, it definitely sings. Okay, and what is the sign if cuckoo sings? That it is going to rain very soon. Mor nachte, and even the peacock loves to dances. And what it does? Before it rains, and if it is raining, what the more will do? What peacock does? It dances. And what the cuckoo does? It sings. Apni naav banao bhai. What children love to do when it is raining, immediately you will take some paper and you will make some paper boats. And you will make the boats and you leave them in the water. So that you feel like you are rowing some boats, you made some boats, you are going through that. So, apni naav banao bhai, make your own boat with that. Boondon ke sang barish aayi. Boondon ke sang, boondon means drops. Okay, when it is raining, you can see the water droplets. Yes, so along with the water droplets, sang means along, saath. Along with the water drops, the rainy season has come. It is raining now along with the water droplets. So what they are trying to say in the barish ka mausam, whenever the rainy season enters, you can see cham cham. By making the sound of cham cham, the rain, it's rain. It is raining. And you can see the clouds forming in the sky, and by looking at the clouds, even the cuckoo bird, it sings and the peacock dances. And when you see the raining, you feel to make some boats and you wanted to enjoy. And how the rain falls, how it rains along with the water droplets in the sky. You can see so many water droplets falling and becomes like a rain. So this is about the barish ka mausam, and this is about garmi ka season. And you can see that both seasons are completely different. Here in the summer season, you feel so hot and you want to sit under the fan. And you want always air, you want to be cool. But when it starts raining, now you feel so cool and you want it to be very warm. You use blankets and you use raincoats and you use umbrellas in the rainy season. We use even umbrellas in the summer season also, because we want to protect ourselves from the hot sun. Isn't it? सर्दी आई, कोहरे की चादर ओढ़े आई, कंबल रजाई के क्या कहने, ऊन के कपड़े हम सब पहने, धूप दिखाई नहीं देती भाई, हू करती सर्दी आई. सर्दी यानी कि winter season. Okay, so now we have already. Now we are just entering into the winter season. So what happens when the winter season starts? कोहरे की चादर ओढ़े आई. If you see outside climate, if it is completely summer season, if you go out near the crops or where you have only crops, greenery, no buildings and nothing, if you go to the lonely areas, you can see that the complete fog is made, it becomes like a blanket. Okay, you can see completely fog. It looks like a blanket which is made of fog. So here, kohare ki chadar, the sheet which is covered with the fog, you can see by bringing all those, the winter season enters. And kambal razai ke kya कहने, kambal यानी कि a rug. Even in Telugu also we say that kambal, a rug, and razai means a quilt. The blankets which we use in the winter season, they will be made of some different material. Okay, so that when you just cover it with that blanket, you feel so warm. So here, kambal razai ke kya कहने. So what we have to say about those? ऊन के कपड़े हम पहने. ऊन के कपड़े means clothes which are made of wool, like sweaters, shawls, and what we use, monkey caps, and all these what we use in the winter season is the clothes which are made of wool. धूप दिखाई नहीं देती भाई means you can't see the sun, more sunlight anywhere during the winter season, because always the climate is so cool and you will be using woolen clothes, so you can see that everywhere you can't see the sunlight much. Hoo karti sardi aayi. When it is so cool, you will say, hoo, I am feeling so cool. Okay. So here what they are saying, they are describing the winter season. How they are describing? When the winter season enters, it brings the sheet made of fog. You can see the fog sheet everywhere, and you can see the people using rug and quilt during the winter season, and we can see the people using the clothes which are made of wool in the winter season. And what about the sunlight? We don't see much sunlight in the winter season. Hoo karti, and it makes everyone to shiver with the coldness. Okay children, I hope you understood this, and now let us go to the last one. See here, what is this season? You can see here, you can see this. Everywhere you can see greenery, butterflies, and everywhere all the flowers are blossom. So what is this season called? You can see here. What is this season called? It's a spring season. What it is? Spring season. So what do we call spring season is Basant ka Mausam. What do we call spring season, Nana? Spring season. Basant आया, रंग बिरंगे फूलों को लाया, गुनगुन करके बतियाते, तितली भंवरा साथ में गाते, सर्दी गर्मी के बीच में आया, सुंदर बसंत का मौसम आया. Basant आया means now what is the season now it entered? Now it is the spring season. And what it become when it enters the spring season? Rang birange phoolon ko laya. Rang birange means colorful, not one or two colors. So many different colored flowers you can see in the spring season, because everywhere it is greenery and it is filled with so beautiful and the climate is so pleasant. Gungun karke batiyate. Gungun means by humming. See, whenever you feel so happy, whenever you are in full of joy, you hum sometimes some songs or something. Just batiyate yani ki speaks. So what happens in the spring season? All the birds, they'll hum and they speak to each other. They will be in full of joy. तितली भंवरा साथ में गाते. Titli means butterfly. And bhavra means bumblebee. You can see the buzzing sound. Bzzz. Yes. So the butterflies and the bhavra, they both together they sing in joy in the spring season. By seeing that the climate, they feel so happy and they sing in the joy. Sardi garmi ke beech mein aaya. Sardi means actually coldness, but here it means the winter season. Okay, when do you get this Basant ka Mausam? When do we get this spring season? Is in between the winter season and summer season. Ke beech, yani ki in between the winter and summer season we get the spring season. Sundar Basant ka Mausam aaya. Sundar means beautiful. Okay, so because everywhere you can see the greenery and the climate is so cool and it's not completely hot or cool and it doesn't rain. So because of that, what happens, the climate is so pleasant and the seasons is changing. Because of that, it looks so beautiful. Okay, which season looks so beautiful? Spring season. So what he is trying to tell you here, in the Basant season you can see so many colorful flowers and you can see the humming of the birds and you can see the climate which enters in between the winter and summer season, and because of all these factors you can see the spring season very, very beautiful. Okay, and here when we are learning regarding the poem, you can see some words here, kahne, and here you can see pehne. Last words they pronounce like same, they are giving the same sound, na, kahne, pahne. Here also bhai, ai, the last letter sound are same. Okay, and here also you can see aya, laya, batiyate, gate. Yes, so when you get the same sound at the last letter, in the ending letter, you can see here example, kahne, pehne, as I told you here, bhai, ai, I have told you here. Okay, and aya, laya, already we have written here. Next, gate, batiyate. So all these words, they are giving the same kind of sound and at the end of the word. So what do we call these type of words are milte julte shabd. Okay, what do we call these type of words? Milte julte shabd means rhyming words. Okay, when we go to higher classes, we say it as saman tuk wale shabd ya saman lay wale shabd, which gives the same sound. So these are the rhyming words which we have. You can go through your first and second stanzas where you have some other rhyming words also. And you can see here, I gave you some examples. Hasna means to laugh. Rona means to cry. So what are these two? Laughing and crying, both are opposite to each other. They are opposite actions. And here sona means to sleep. Jagna means to wake up. So these two are also again opposite actions. Garmi, sardi. Garmi means hot. Sardi means cool. Again these two are totally opposite to each other. So when we have like these opposite actions, we call them as ulte arth wale shabd. What do we call them, Nana? Ulte arth wale shabd, and we say in English as opposite words. Or instead of ulte arth wale shabd, you can say even vilom shabd also. So just it's an introduction. In our lesson we have some of the opposites here. Okay, here we have some opposites, what I explained you here. So whatever may be the word which gives totally reverse meaning, we call them as ulte arth wale shabd. And not only that, you have to observe, when it is the winter season, nights will be very long. Okay, evening 5:30 or 6 o'clock we can see the darkness, and morning 6:37 we see a little bit of sunlight in the morning, and this is totally opposite in the Garmi ka Mausam, that is summer season. Evening 6:37 also we can see the sunlight, and early morning by 5 o'clock you can see the sunlight. So this is totally opposite actions. So in the poem we have learnt the poem and different seasons, and what do we call the saman lay wale shabd, milte julte shabd, and what are ulte arth wale shabd. I hope you all understood what I have taught you, and please go through your textbook and try to understand what are the meanings, and you have to observe what is the meaning here and what is the meaning in the second. Somewhere it is giving the meaning as season, and somewhere it is saying what is the climate, how is the climate. Okay children, thank you.